Wagwan, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K Rima, and for those of you who are new, I do everything on my channel from vlog to beauty to cooking to music. And if you like all of that, I hope you guys stick around, subscribe, and give this video a big thumbs up. And today we're gonna be doing something a little cool with you guys. I decided to set up a date night, or should I say a date, with my fiance, and we're like really big on brunching and going out for brunch on the weekends. And since we've been quarantined and stuck in the house and we're in the house bored, I decided to bring brunch to us. So stick around while I cook some of our favorite things to order. So you guessed it right, chicken and waffles with a good mimosa on the side is our favorite go-to dish. So if you want to see all of that and so much more, don't forget to subscribe. Of course, comment below because I love to hear what you guys think. I love when you guys comment, and I would love to hear more of your feedback and what kind of videos you like for me to do more of. Yeah. So we have the menu laid out today. I pretty much season my chicken with cayenne pepper, a little bit of salt, black pepper, garlic, onion season. That's it. And from here, I just pretty much beat 3 eggs in a bowl just to get everything going, season it with salt and pepper. And then here I have my flour, just a regular all-purpose flour, which I add a little bit of cayenne pepper, salt, garlic powder. And here's the oil. We're ready to fry. So at this point, I'm pretty much gonna coat my chicken with a little bit of the egg, then into the flour, and I just kind of rest it on the side as a way to prepare it to fry. Right after, just kind of base everything like that. So this is pretty much where we're gonna fry the chicken. See, it's getting all nice and crispy. It actually ended up frying faster than I thought, which was super cool. I think this is like probably the 3rd time ever in my life frying some chicken. I know, sad, but I got it right though. So we're pretty much going to be using a keto pancake mix today to make our waffles, because I'm still trying to keep my diet somewhat, or at least what's left of it. I was going to make it from scratch, but... So here's pretty much what the waffle is starting to look like. I have this mini waffle maker which makes mini hearts, which I thought was fitting for the occasion, seeing as how it's 18th. This is the finishing spread for our at-home brunch. We have the waffles. We have lemon hot sauce. He doesn't know yet. I like this. We have the fried chicken. We have the orange juice. We have the champagne to make the mimosa, water with lemon, and fruits.
Not really, with us.
You're gonna love this shit as soon as you find out what it is. Watch. This is my plate, as you can see. Yes. So again, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and comment below and let me know what's your favorite brunch dish. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. Also, guys, you are currently listening to one of my singles called Nobody Move. Check it out. It's available for streaming. Bye.